Hi, today I'll show you how to sell an item on Facebook Marketplace. Tap Marketplace at the bottom of the screen. Tap Sell at the top, choose the listing, add a title and price, and select a category. Tap Add Photos to include photos from your phone or take a new photo. Add in all the other details and tap Publish to publish your market listing. That's it! Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.